Story time! So I just learned to drive and got my US driver's license. Even experienced drivers need a good dashcam. So our friends at Magellan sent us a Magellan MiVue DR50 to test it out. We got the 3-channel dashcam. You get the full picture, front, interior, and rear footage. That's 3 cameras in one system. This is our front-facing dashcam. It records in 4K resolution and features the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. The interior and rear cameras give you 2K footage with a 170-degree wide view. Time to set it up!
Drive safely.
We are all set. It's time to test it out on our road trip. And our first stop is Grand Junction, Colorado. So the 3 cameras record simultaneously. Let me show you the front, interior, and rear views. Quad mode GPS check. You can see our location and speed data right here. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, we've got a tunnel coming up so we can check the night vision.
No lights. Okay, lights. Go. It's pretty dark in here.
That's interesting. That is so cool.
Now, let's get back to the views of Grand Junction. Okay, time for our next adventure, the Arches, Utah. Look at this view, it's pretty amazing, right? Alright, it's time for our final stop. We are heading to the Great Sand Dunes, Colorado. On our way to the sand dunes, the San Juan National Forest welcomed us with rain and even some snow. But the view on the dashcam still looked pretty great. We've made it to the sand dunes. We tried to visit at night to check out the dark sky, but unfortunately, we weren't able to get a view. However, look at the night footage captured by the dashcam. And now we are headed back home. If you are looking for a new dashcam, definitely consider the Magellan. It already comes with a 64GB SD card and runs on H.265, which is a super MP4 technology, so you won't miss a moment. And for all the other features, see the description below. Our friends at Magellan are also giving you 30% off. Grab the details in the description below too. Thank you, Magellan! That's it, Pansit, for the Campbells. See you in our next video.
Drive safely.
Yes!